Hey guys, so I know this is a little bit of a different background, different scenery. I'm actually in New York right now. I've been here for the past like 3 weeks, just visiting my family, seeing all my friends. Everyone's like on winter break, so everyone's back from college. I've literally been with my friends every single day for the past 3 weeks, and yeah. Hi, I've been gone for a while, but I don't have any of my filming equipment here in New York. I just have these 2 lights. That's why I haven't really been filming these like sit down videos, but I have been vlogging. But yeah, okay, so today's video, I filmed this tutorial. This look I've been doing this look so often. I'm so obsessed with it. It's super subtle, kind of like natural looking. Yeah, I just love this look so much. It's so easy. This has been requested for a while now. You guys are gonna love this look when you try it on your face. Okay, it's so pretty and it works for like a lot of different face types, so obsessed. But yeah, okay. So yeah, that's what I'm filming today. It's super quick, really easy, and you guys are gonna fall in love. I like haven't filmed a tutorial in so long, I don't know what to say anymore. But yeah, what do I say? Okay, make sure to go ahead and subscribe, give this video a like and comment, and also go ahead and turn on your post notifications to be notified every single time that I upload. If my quality and like lighting looks a little bit different, it's because I'm filming on a different camera, by the way, just to let you know. But yeah, I don't want to make this intro too long, so without further ado, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look that I've been doing recently, then make sure you guys just keep on watching. Oh, I'm pretty sure if you guys aren't new to my channel, you guys already know what I'm going to do first, but this is my favorite primer ever. This is the Dr. Brandt Pore Refiner Primer. It's the Pores No More Primer. I have pretty big pores and kind of like textured skin, so I always put this on before my makeup, and it just smooths everything out. It kind of like fills everything in, gives you a nice little airbrush look. I use this every single day. Like, I don't use any other primers. It's my favorite of all time, so I highly recommend it, but I did use it off camera, so I'm not going to use it again. But okay, so now I'm gonna do my face, my whole base. So I'm just going in with my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation. All right, yeah, so this is in the shade Ecru. I don't know why I want to ask you what my shade is. You guys, this look is literally the easiest look ever. Like, I love doing it because it takes me like no time and like kind of subtle. It's still not like really subtle because, hello, not super natural. Like, natural for other people would literally be like mascara, concealer, eyebrows, and like lip gloss. But for me, bitch, hello, like, my name is Tina. I love to hate my face, so yeah. Plus, you know when you get to a point when you like know too much about makeup to where you can't ever go back to that whole like just wearing mascara or just wearing like a little bit of concealer and like lip gloss phase, you know what I mean? Like, I could never go back. You know what I mean? Like, I know too much now. That's old, it's tired. This is such an OG foundation, but I just still like love it. Like, it works so well for my skin type. If you know any good foundations that have come out recently or kind of new that I should try, definitely let me know down below, because I really want to try some new foundations. I keep going back and forth between the same 2 foundations, and I want to try some new ones. I'm kind of sick right now. I don't know if you guys can hear it in my voice. Everybody's sick at the baby shower. I went to Shelby's baby shower this weekend. I flew to Seattle for like 2 days, came back to New York, and I'm now sick, so that fucking sucks. All right, so I'm just going in with some concealer. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape. This is running out, so I can't do a lot, but you guys can go ham if you want to. I miss talking to you guys. I feel like I haven't filmed in so long. Like I was saying, I don't really have any of my equipment here in New York with me. All I have is these 2 soft boxes that I had from before I moved, and you guys, I wish you could see the way my camera is set up right now. It's literally taped to this little tripod that I have for my phone. I'll use like this tripod for my phone for when I'm doing TikToks. I'm a TikToker now, guys. It's only a matter of time before I'm fucking renegade, like literally. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, so I brought this little iPhone tripod that I'll use for like TikToks, taking pictures. My fucking camera is literally taped up to it because I don't have a camera tripod. Very bootleg. But once I get back to LA, which is gonna be next Monday, I don't even have my flight yet. I have to book that like ASAP. I'm planning to leave in like 4 days, and I don't have my flight yet, so that's great. I always do this. They're always so much more expensive because I wait so long to book my flights, and I also just didn't know when I wanted to go back. But I have been vlogging this trip. Like, anytime I do something exciting, I've been vlogging it, so I don't know how much footage I have. I haven't really looked through the footage, so I don't know how much footage I have, but I'll probably mix it in with like LA stuff too. I'll have a vlog coming up soon. I just need more content for it, so yeah. Okay, and then take like your concealer and just take it over your eyelids, just to make your life easier later on, so you don't have to use a primer or go back in with concealer. It's just quicker this way, so use whatever is left on your sponge. Okay, and then just make sure everything is nice and blended. And now I'm going in with my powder. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder in the shade Vanilla. I really like this because I exfoliated my face before doing makeup today, and it looks so smooth and glowy. I used the Talia Mar, it's the Sea Scrub with OFRA. She came out with this whole skincare line with them, and I used the Sea Scrub in that, which is like the exfoliator. That exfoliator is so good. I don't know why every time I use it, my skin just looks like incredible right afterwards. And the way I set my face, if you guys are new to my channel or are beginners with makeup, I literally just take the powder, I kind of put it on the sponge like as if I was gonna bake it, but what I actually do is I just press it into the skin. So I pat it down there and I keep pushing it in, kind of just tapping, and this way it kind of melts in with your foundation. And this is my absolute favorite way to set my face. I don't like using a brush and like the powder and just kind of like sweeping it over my face. I kind of get streaks when I use a brush, and it kind of like lifts up the foundation a little bit, and I feel like baking makes my skin look super like old and dry. It just emphasizes like creases and like every little like, I don't know, crevice on your face. So if you guys don't already do this, definitely do, because I've been doing makeup for a long time, okay? And trust me when I say this is the way that you need to be setting your face, okay? Old times. Feels like old times. The one thing I did not miss about living in New York. I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. This one is the Jouer Suntan Bronzer. I'm using so many OG ass products today, but this like never fails me. So I'm just gonna bronze my face and contour a little bit. Sorry. I do this thing to like emphasize my chin, so I take the contour like right in there to make my chin look longer, like right there, because my face is super round. So I kind of just like add a little bit of bronzer, and it kind of emphasizes my chin more. You see that? See that? And then for blush, I actually do something really weird with my blush. I'll show you guys in a second, but right now I'm just gonna apply it on my cheeks like normal. This is the MAC Melba blush. I'm pretty sure this is discontinued, but you can just use whatever blush is your favorite. I really like the peaches one from MAC too. I literally take my blush and I put it, I take a lot, okay? I take my blush and I put it all around this like center part of my face, so like my nose and like right on top of my cheeks, like right there. All right, I'm gonna blend that out with a little bit of bronzer. It just looks so cute. I don't know why, it's just like a little vibe when I do this. I feel like I wouldn't really do it alone. I always go in with faux freckles afterwards. Okay, right now it looks crazy, but I'm just gonna blend it in. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with faux freckles. I don't know why this is essential for this look for me. I don't know, it just like adds a little something extra. I feel like I can't do this look without faux freckles, because otherwise it's so like, I don't want to say basic, but it is kind of basic for me and like boring. So I just always do faux freckles to make it like, you know, I don't know, just to give me something. So yeah, I'm just gonna dot on some fake freckles. I literally just used my eyebrow pomade for this. There have been some days, you guys, some days where my faux freckles come out looking like little polka dots on my face. So I learned that you literally, right after you apply like a little layer of them, I always go in with my finger while it's still wet, and I just like tap it out so it's not as dark and scary looking. Also, tip, if you guys ever have a little pimple when you can kind of see the bump underneath your makeup, take whatever you're using for your faux freckles and go over that little pimple with a freckle, and it'll just look like a freckle. I learned that from Desi Perkins. That is pretty much the face done. Actually, no, I lied. I'm gonna put some highlighter on my nose, and also I'm gonna put some on my brow bone. This is the OFRA Everglow. Oh my god, these sirens, what the fuck. For my eyeliner, I figured out black eyeliner just does not cut it for me. It does not suit my face. I like way too, all my features are way too light. Like my skin is super pale, I have super light eyes, literally like white platinum blonde hair, so black eyeliner just looks like super weird on me. So oh my god, what the fuck, this is so annoying. I forgot how annoying this was. I figured out that using my eyebrow pomade, which is pretty much this like taupey color, this is blonde from Anastasia Beverly Hills, so this is what I'll use to fill in my eyebrows, and I also use this as my eyeliner. I don't know why I couldn't find like a good brown eyeliner, so I just decided to use my pomade, which actually kind of worked. So I'm just gonna do like a really long tail, and I actually kind of take it out further. You see how my eye ends here, okay, but I start the eyeliner a little bit farther away from my eye, and it makes my eyes look bigger. All right, little tip. Okay, I can't talk for this part, so oh, and I do it long, like super long. Connect that line up to my eyelid, except I only take it up to where my, you see like this part, this outer part of your actual like eye, I only take it up to there, like right here. Oh wow, that one came out really good. Like, I'm proud. Okay, so that is the eyeliner done. I'm actually gonna do a little flick on my inner corner, and trust me, you guys, when I say this makes like the biggest difference, it does. Okay, so I'm just gonna take that eyeliner again, and I'm gonna do like the tiniest little flick on my inner corner. That way you have like a full cat eye effect. It really like extends your eyes and like emphasizes your features so much, trust me. Okay, do you see that before and after? It's really subtle, but it makes a big difference. Okay, and then for this next part, you could honestly just use your bronzer, but since I'm extra, I'm gonna use an eyeshadow. One that I brought with me, Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag color palette, and I just brought this because it has 2 shades that I really like mixing together for this exact purpose. So I'm taking this big fluffy brush and I'm just gonna mix together Hunty and Sickening, and I'm just gonna sweep this like all across my crease. Do you guys remember that soft glam tutorial that I did? I'm kind of gonna do that same technique, just way more subtly, where I kind of bring the crease color a little bit higher. It just makes your eyes look so much more open and awake rather than taking it right where your like eyelid folds, you know what I mean? If you guys want to see this technique more in depth, then definitely go watch that soft glam tutorial I did a couple weeks ago. I've been doing this look non-stop on freaking TikTok, you guys. I've been on TikTok. If you guys have been wondering where I've been on TikTok, okay? I love TikTok just because I feel like I can literally make whatever the fuck I want. And then I'm gonna run this on my lower lash line too. I'm lazy, I just don't feel like picking up another brush, so I'm gonna use my crease brush for this. I'm just gonna like pinch it because I'm lazy. And so I'm going in with my mascara now. I'm choosing the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm pretty sure this was like a limited edition one. It has like glitter on the packaging. Can you guys see that? All right, you know what, my camera is not gonna focus. This isn't even my regular filming camera, this is my vlog camera, the only camera that I brought, obviously, because I'm vlogging here. Mascara is bomb. I feel like I always end up going back to this one. It just makes my lashes so thick and so long. I haven't worn lashes in probably like almost like 3 weeks. Like, I just don't wear lashes anymore. Okay, so what I do, because it's like winter and my lips are super dry right now, I go in with this Jouer lip balm. This is the best lip balm ever. It almost looks like a lip gloss. This is the Essential Lip Enhancer. I'll go in with like a really thin layer of this underneath my lipstick because I use a liquid lipstick every day, and since it's winter, you guys, my lips are super dry. I need something underneath so that I don't look, you know, all chapped and stuff. So this is the Makeup Forever liquid lipstick in 101. I use this every single day. It never changes. I'm just gonna set my face now, and I just use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. You guys, this one is so cute. It literally says my name on it. It says Tina. Oh, so cute. All right. Try not to move your face after you set it because otherwise everything will crease. But that's it for this look, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This has been requested for a while now. I've been doing this look every single day of my life. Whenever I put makeup on, this is what I do. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys very soon with another video. I know I've been kind of inactive. I have some videos on the way, so don't worry. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.